welcome to our channel. We are offering and displaying this Patek Philippe Nautilus reference 7010R013 featuring a diamond bezel, rose gold case and folding clasps in a pink fabric bracelet configuration. This lady's watch has the distinguished shape of the heritage and original design produced by Gérald Genta in combination with a quartz movement. It comes in a complete set including box and authenticity certificate from the manufacturer. This watch is available and now in stock on our website www.montrescollection.com.